Welcome to the Compost channel. Today, we're going to explore 6 principles that can replace traditional composting. Piling up waste and waiting for it to decompose not only takes time, but also wastes valuable nutrients. This video isn't just about gardening. It also combines survival skills, self-sufficiency, and soil science. We're going to transform your garden into a perfectly balanced and incredibly healthy, natural ecosystem. Forget about smelly compost piles and begin an exciting journey of regenerating your soil. The first principle is direct transformation, a very smart and highly effective method. Instead of piling kitchen waste in a corner, place it directly on top of your garden beds. This allows valuable nutrients to soak straight into the soil right where plant roots need them. Then simply cover everything with a layer of organic material to protect the surface. Soil organisms will immediately get to work breaking everything down naturally. Plant roots will stretch out and absorb this rich source of nutrients without any obstacles. This method perfectly mimics how fallen leaves naturally decompose in ancient forests. No turning or heavy labor required. Nature will handle all the hard work for you. Your soil will become more fertile over time thanks to this continuous supply of nutrients. It's a perfect closed-loop system, turning waste into black gold right beneath your feet. The second principle is permanent soil cover, a crucial step to sustain microbial life. Organic mulch acts like a warm blanket, protecting the soil from harsh sunlight. It helps retain essential moisture and prevents water from evaporating during hot, dry days. Soil temperature stays stable, creating an ideal environment for microorganisms. These tiny organisms are very sensitive to UV rays and sudden temperature changes. By covering the soil, you're building a safe home where they can thrive and multiply. Straw, dry leaves, or wood chips are all excellent materials for mulching. Over time, this layer will also break down and add more organic matter to the soil. Bare soil is dead soil, so always make sure your garden is well covered. The third principle is layering and diversifying organic materials in your garden. The combination of nitrogen-rich and carbon-rich materials is the golden key to efficient decomposition. The common golden ratio is 1 part green material to 30 parts brown material. Green materials include fresh grass and kitchen waste, providing energy for microorganisms. Brown materials like dry branches create structure and supply large amounts of carbon. When layered together, they create a balanced environment that speeds up decomposition. Diversity in materials also means providing a rich diet for the soil ecosystem. Each type of microorganism plays a unique role in breaking down complex nutrients. The result is loose, nutrient-rich, and living humus full of vitality. The fourth principle focuses on integrating biochar into your soil. Biochar is an incredible innovation rooted in ancient agricultural practices. With its porous structure, biochar acts like a giant sponge underground. It can hold water and store nutrients for a very long time. However, before adding it to soil, it must be fully charged with nutrients and microbes. Soaking it in organic fertilizer solution turns it into a perfect home for beneficial bacteria. Once applied, these pieces of biochar slowly release nutrients whenever plants need them. This helps prevent nutrient leaching during heavy, prolonged rains. Soil enriched with biochar can remain fertile for decades without declining. It's truly a smart, long-term investment for any ecological garden. The fifth principle is bokashi, a unique fermentation technique from Japan. Instead of letting kitchen waste rot, we ferment it in an anaerobic environment, By adding bokashi bran rich and effective microorganisms, fermentation happens quickly. This method preserves nearly all the valuable nutrients found in household waste. Even better, the acidic environment helps eliminate harmful pathogens. Meat, fish, and dairy products can also be safely processed using this method. After about 2 weeks, the mixture is ready to be buried directly into the soil. In a short time, soil microbes will consume this nutrient-rich material completely. Bad odors disappear, replaced by a mild, pickled scent similar to fermented vegetables. This is a perfect solution for urban households looking to manage waste effectively. The sixth and final principle is the amazing cooperation between plants. Nature never works alone. Plants naturally support each other's growth. Interplanting legumes helps fix nitrogen from the air into the soil. Their roots contain nodules that house bacteria capable of converting nitrogen. In addition, nutrient-accumulating plants act like natural mineral pumps. Their deep roots draw valuable minerals from deep within the soil. When their leaves fall, they return those nutrients back to the surface. By combining these plants wisely, you create a self-sustaining ecosystem. Your garden becomes completely independent, no longer relying on external fertilizers. This is the highest level of ecological gardening, where humans and nature work as one. These 6 principles are not just gardening techniques, but a philosophy of living in harmony with nature. Start applying them today to turn your land into a lush green paradise. Thank you for spending your time with us today on this helpful video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Compost channel for more exciting ecological gardening content.